Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Netflix account. So the first step you need to do is put here your email. You put your email and put in get started, and you need to wait for a few minutes. And the process is resumed in three steps. Here is said to you in step 1 of 3. So you need to go with picking next, and you need to create a password. For example, you create your password, you picking next, and after that you need to choose your plan. This is in base of your money, what how much you can you want pay for these plans. Like in the basic, you got the once I device, you can 720 HD, but the premium you can see movies in 4K, Ultra HD. This is the specifications of the plan. You choose whatever you want. You pick in next, and after you need to put here your method of pay. You need to choose how to pay. You can pick here like a credit card, a debit card. Maybe you can pay with PayPal, but that's it. That's it. You put your account, your card here, and you pay and complete your configuration. So this is the process. This is a test account, so I don't complete the process. But this is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.